A very good evening to all of you. This is Kulbhushan saying, and today we'll be doing analysis of the UPPCS paper, which was conducted today itself on 11th of October. Okay, then we'll just start the paper. So this is set C, and the first question in this paper was, which of the following rivers is a trans-Himalayan river? So there are four options given to this question: Jhelum, Satluj, Ganga and Ravi. So we need to see what are trans-Himalayan rivers. So basically the trans-Himalayan rivers are those rivers which have their source beyond the Himalayas. So the examples are Indus, Brahmaputra and Satluj. So the answer would be B, Satluj. The next question was, with reference to the detailed report of Tiger Census 2018 released by Government of India in July to 2020, which of the following statements is or are correct? India has 70% of total global tigers population. Yes, this statement is correct as per the Tiger Census of 2018. Then nearly 30% of India's tigers live outside Tiger Reserve. This statement is also correct. So these tiger census are held after every 4 years by Wildlife Institute of India and National Tiger Conservation Authority. Okay. And as per this census, MP Madhya Pradesh has got the highest tiger population, and the population of tigers has fallen in two states. That's important, and those states are Chhattisgarh and Mizoram. Okay, Chhattisgarh and Mizoram में population fall हुई है. Okay, then next question number 3. Which of the following is not correctly matched? Some tribes are given and the location. Anjamis are in Nagaland, then Birhors are in Jharkhand, then Khas are in Arunachal Pradesh and Todas in Tamil Nadu. So in this, Khas is the answer, as these Khas tribe is a Himalayan tribe. Basically these tribes are present in Nepal, and apart from Nepal they are also present in UK, Uttarakhand, Himachal Pradesh, Jammu and Kashmir, Sikkim. Okay? So in this question, C is the answer, Khas. Next question, question number 4. Which among the following hosted Global Vaccine Summit on 4th of June 2020? So this Global Vaccine Summit was organized by Gavi, the Vaccine Alliance, and it was done in UK, United Kingdom. The Gavi, the Vaccine Alliance, it is a public-private global health partnership, and the goal is to increase access to the immunization in poor countries. Then question number 5. Match list 1 with list 2 and select the correct answer using the codes given below the lists. Some lakes and their locations have been given. So in this question, we'll see Sala Lake in Arunachal Pradesh, Badkal Lake in Haryana, Loktak Lake in Manipur, Kaliveli Lake in Tamil Nadu. So in this one is really very easy. Loktak Lake is in Manipur. We know this thing. That means the answer can either A or it can be B. Then if this is the case, then that means that Kaliveli Lake is in Tamil Nadu. Yes, this lake is in Tamil Nadu. So we have got 2 lakes. Now Sala Lake and Badkal Lake, these are also mentioned correctly. This Badkal Lake is in Haryana, and it was in news. There was a project to revive it, and in fact Kaliveli Lake was also in news. There was a proposal for a bird sanctuary here. So the answer would be A to this question. Next, Sarthak, launched in August 2020 by Ministry of Defence, Government of India, relates to which of the following? Now Sarthak is an offshore patrol vessel. Okay, it has been designed and developed by Goa Shipyard Limited. ठीक है, गोवा शिपयार्ड लिमिटेड ने बनाया है सार्थक, जो कि है एक ऑफशोर पेट्रोल वेसल. ठीक है. The next question is question number 7. Given below are the two statements. One is labeled as assertion and the other as reason. Assertion is Ahmedabad is the largest center of cotton textile industry in India. while the reason given to it is Ahmedabad is located in major cotton growing region of India, so it has no problem of raw materials. So one thing here, this is not Ahmedabad, it is Mumbai. Okay, Mumbai is the largest center while Ahmedabad is the second largest. Okay, though this reason, the statement, statement number R, statement R, it is correct. It is located in major cotton growing region and no problem of raw material. So answer would be D. A is false. The next question is, which of the following state governments has started Pashu Kisan Credit Card scheme in the year 2020? So this scheme, Pashu Kisan Credit Card scheme, was started by the Haryana government, and the target was to issue 10 lakh Pashu Kisan credit cards. Okay. Under this scheme, rupees 40,000 were given for cow and rupees 60,000 were given for buffalo. And in addition to these two animals, some more animals were also there, like goat, sheep, then hen and pig. So these were the animals, 6 animals: cow, buffalo, goat, sheep, pig and hen, under this scheme, Pashu Kisan Credit Card scheme, which was started by the Haryana government. Which one of the following is the youngest mountain range of India? So now this was a very easy question, because we all know that Aravalli and Vindhya range are old fold mountain system of India. This Western Ghats owes its origin at the time when India was a part of Gondwana land. Okay. Then Himadri or the Great Himalayas, this is the young fold mountain. So this is the answer, young fold mountain, Himadri or the Great Himalayas. Then question number 10, on 27th of July 2020, Prime Minister of India virtually inaugurated 3 new Indian Council of Medical Research high-end testing laboratories for COVID-19 test at which of the following places? So this was a direct factual question, and the answer to this is B. This is Kolkata, Noida and Mumbai. Kolkata, Noida and Mumbai. And in these labs, one machine was used, Cobas 8800. On this machine, it is said that it will be giving results in only 40 minutes. Okay. Then question number 11. Question number 11 is, some national parks have been given and the states have been given. So we have to match them. So the national park number 1 is Indravati. Indravati National Park is in Bijapur. This national park is in Bijapur, which is situated in Chhattisgarh. Okay. Then Mollem National Park is in Goa. Mollem National Park is in Goa. Kalesar is situated in Haryana, Yamuna Nagar, Haryana. Okay. Then Betwa, the National Park Betwa, this is situated in Chota Nagpur Plateau in Palamu district. Palamu district, Jharkhand. Okay, so the answer becomes A. The answer becomes A. Indravati, A का 4, इंद्रावती का छत्तीसगढ़ होना चाहिए. Then B का 3, कालेसर. No, this is A. The option becomes Indravati, A ka 4. If A ka 4, then A, B or C can be the answers. Then Mollam is in Goa, B 3. So B is 3. If one knows this answer, Mollam Goa, then the answer is A. Okay. The next question. Question number 12. Which of the following airports in Uttar Pradesh has been granted international status on 24th of June 2020 by Union Cabinet of India? So this airport was in news. If the answer is Kushinagar Airport, it would cater to the needs of the Buddhist cultural sites like Lumbini, then Kapilvastu, then Shravasti, which are in the vicinity. Okay? Shravasti. These things are in the vicinity of the Kushinagar Airport. Then question number 13, which of the following are not correctly matched? In this question, copper. Copper is famous in Khetri. Okay? Copper is famous in Khetri. Then bauxite, Katni, this is correct. Then manganese is not in Bhilwara, but it is in Odisha. It is in Odisha, and in Odisha it is Sambalpur, Raigad, then Balaghat mines of MP. These are the places of manganese. Iron ore is correct. This is correct, Bellary. So the question is asking not correctly matched. So copper is not correctly matched and manganese. So 1 and 3. 1 and 3, C becomes the answer. Question number 13, C. Then next question, question number 14. Which of the following countries was not elected in June 2020 as a non-permanent member of United Nations Security Council for the year 2021-22? So first of all, India was elected. We need to know this thing. And because India was elected, so this question is here. And in addition to India, Ireland, Norway, and Mexico were elected. So the answer would be Canada. Okay, so the answer would be Canada D. Next question, question number 15. Kashmir of Valley situated between, and this I feel is also an easy question because this Valley of Kashmir, it is situated between Himalayas and Pir Panjal, and Great Himalayas and Pir Panjal. So we can see the option as B. Valley of Kashmir is situated between Pir Panjal and Himadri ranges. Then question number 16. Question number 16. Consider the following statements about new national education policy approved by Union Cabinet of India on 29th of July 2020. It was drafted by a committee headed by Dr. K. Kasturirangan. This statement is correct. It will replace the previous education policy which has been followed since the last 38 years. Now the previous education policy which we are following at present till now, it was the National Education Policy 1986, and from 1986 to 2020 it is 34 years and it is given 38 years. That means this statement is wrong, so statement number A is correct. The answer becomes A. Question 16. Then the next question is, consider the following tributaries of river Yamuna and arrange them from west to east. For Chambal, these are the tributaries of Chambal, and these all four are the tributaries of Yamuna, and for these tributaries the correct chronological order is from west to east: Chambal, then Sindh, then Betwa, then Ken. So Chambal is 4, then Sindh is 3, then Betwa is 1, and then Ken 2. 4, 3, 1, 2. So 4, 3, 1, 2, option A is the correct answer. Then we'll see the next question, question number 18. Which of the following Indian states, union territories launched electric vehicle policy on 7th of August? Now, current question, and the answer is Delhi government launched. Okay. Delhi government had launched this electric vehicle policy, and as per this policy, a subsidy needs to be given for two-wheelers rupees 30,000, and for four-wheelers or for cars rupees 1.5 lakhs. ठीक है, टू व्हीलर के लिए 30,000 रुपए मिलेंगे सब्सिडी के तौर पर, और कार्स के लिए 1.5 लाख रुपए मिलेगा. दिल्ली सरकार ने ये पॉलिसी स्टार्ट की, इलेक्ट्रिक व्हीकल पॉलिसी. Which of the following is not correctly matched? Okay, so Kazakhstan, this is correct. ठीक है, Kazakhstan, Karaganda Kazakhstan में around 250 miles from the capital of Kazakhstan. It was previously known as Astana, and now it is known as Nur Sultan. ठीक है. Then Ukraine, Krivoy Rog, this is correct. France, Pyrenees, this is correct. Then in Germany, Normandy Plains. This Normandy Plains is situated. It is situated in northern France. Okay, it is situated in northern France and not in Germany. Okay, so the answer is C, Germany. The next question, which of the following Indian foundations has received the Food Vision 2050 prize in the August 2020? So the answer to this question is Nandi Foundation. Nandi Foundation, it is an Hyderabad based foundation, And this Food Vision 2050, it follows the A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H framework. Okay, so what is this A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H framework? A for agriculture, B for biology, C for compost, then D for decentralized decision making, E for entrepreneur, F for families, G for global market, H for headstands. And this prize is given by Rockefeller Foundation. Okay, Rockefeller Foundation. Okay, then next question, question number 21. Which of the following regions of the world the production of citrus fruits is well developed? So the answer to this is the citrus fruits are very well developed in Mediterranean type of climate, and this climate is famous for winter rainfall. ठीक है, winter rainfall के लिए ये climate बहुत famous है. And the answer to this question is C. This is the only climate which is present in all the continents of the world. Okay, next question 22. First ever container ship from Kolkata port to Agartala was sent through which one of the following ports of Bangladesh in July 2020? So July 2020 में बांग्लादेश से अगरतला के लिए, कोलकाता से अगरतला के लिए कहाँ कंटेनर कहाँ से गया था? So the answer is Chattogram port. Chattogram port. So two ports of Bangladesh can be used as per the policy. Chattogram plus Mongla ports या Mangla ports. ठीक है, these two ports can be used as per this policy. Then question number 23. Match list 1 and list 2 and select the correct answers. So list 1 is tropical cyclones, list 2 is country. So Bagios is a tropical cyclone and it is called as Bagios in Philippines. ठीक है? Then hurricanes, the tropical cyclones of United States of America are called as hurricanes. Typhoons are the tropical cyclones of China, and Willy Willies are the tropical cyclones of Australia. So we can see the answer, we can match the answer A ka 3. If A ka 3, that means of either option A is correct or option B is correct. Then hurricanes, US B ka 4. So, okay, B ka 4. Then typhoons C ka 2. C ka 2. So option is B is correct. ठीक है, this option is correct. Question number 23 B. Next question, question number 24. Who among the following has been awarded with the Lifetime Excellence Award in Earth System Science in July 2020 by Ministry of Earth Sciences, Government of India? So this was Ashok Sahani. Ashok Sahani got this prize, Professor Ashok Sahani, in the contribution, he had contribution in the field of geology, then vertebrate paleontology, fossil study, then biostratigraphy. Okay, biostratigraphy. So these were the things for which Ashok Sahani, Professor Ashok Sahani, he got this prize. Then question number 25. Darling Range is situated along which of the following coasts of Australia? So Darling Range is present here. Okay, southwestern coast, with reference to eutrophication. Which of the following statement or statements is or are correct? It decreases dissolved oxygen of water. This is correct. It is a phenomena of nutrient enrichment of a water body. Yes, this is also correct. So basically, what is an eutrophication? It is an addition of substances. Okay, addition of substances through fertilizers or sewage to fresh water system, and it leads to bloom of phytoplanktons, thereby resulting in the decreasing dissolved oxygen in the water. So both the statements are correct. So answer becomes C. The next question is, which of the following ocean currents is associated with Indian Ocean? Now we'll see that where these currents are present. Okay. So we'll make a map, rough map. So Florida current, this is present here, present here. Canary current, this is present here. Agulhas current, this is present here. Then Curie current, this is present near Japan, western parts of Japan. So the answer to question is Indian Ocean में कौन सा current है? So Indian Ocean, this is Indian Ocean, and this is Indian Ocean. So answer is Agulhas current. Agulhas current is the correct answer to this question. Arrange the following events in chronological order of their commencement. Okay, then Project Tiger. Project Tiger was launched in the year 1973. Project Elephant was launched in 1992. Then Wildlife Protection Act 1972 and Biological Diversity Act was in 2002. So that means first three should be there. So either C can be the option or D can be the option, and last four should be there. So that means C should be the answer. Okay, we'll check it. We'll check it. Number one is 3. Yes, Wildlife Protection Act. After that is 1, Project Tiger. Yes, then Project Elephant, and then and the last Biological Diversity Act 2002. So answer is C. Next question, question number 29. Okay, these are the some ethnic groups. Now this was a hard question. Okay, this was a hard question, and in this only one is easy. Jews are in Israel, but the problem is in 3 options. The Jews in Israel have already been given. So we need to check other things. So Lur are in Iran. Okay, D ka 2, then D ka 2, then also either C or D. Okay, these Teda people, these people are found in the eastern and the central Sahara, mainly in the 3 countries: Chad, Niger, and Libya. These are the 3 countries where mostly these people, Tedas, are found. So Libya is given here. Okay. Then Beja are found in Sudan, Egypt, and Eritrea. Okay. So Egypt is given. So for question number 29, this becomes the answer. Okay. Next question, question number 30. The movement of nutrient elements through the various components of an ecosystem is called as, this was a simple question, biogeochemical cycle. So what is a biogeochemical cycle? A natural pathway. It is a natural pathway by which essential elements of living matter are circulated. Okay. So this is biogeochemical cycle, a direct question and a simple also. Then which one of the following is not correctly matched? Okay, capitals and the capitals of the countries are given. Rabat is capital of Morocco. Yes, it is. Tunis is the capital of Tunisia. Yes, it is. Algiers is capital of Algeria. Yes, it is. Bamako is capital of Cape Verde. No, Bamako is capital of Mali. Bamako is capital of Mali. And Cape Verde, what is the capital of Cape Verde? Cape Verde का capital है Praia. ठीक है, Praia is the capital of Cape Verde. Okay, then next question. Where was the Mitti Bachao Save the Soil movement started in India? Okay, this Mitti Bachao movement, this movement was against the Tawa Dam. Okay, it was against the Tawa Dam. This dam was at the center of the campaign against water logging. Okay, against water logging जो होने वाली थी from irrigation canals of the dam. So this dam situated in Madhya Pradesh, and this abhiyan was there in Hoshangabad, Madhya Pradesh. Next question. Pietermaritzburg and its adjacent areas of South Africa is major producer of which of the following minerals? Okay, then this area is famous for manganese fields. This was also slightly on the harder scale. slightly harder question. This post-Masburg manganese fields, these are ancient karst controlled manganese ore. Okay, karst controlled manganese ores. Okay. The next question, question number 34. So without greenhouse effect, the average temperature of the earth would be minus 18 degrees Celsius. So which gases are greenhouse gases? These are like CO2, methane, or water vapor. And what happens? They trap radiation. Okay, they trap radiation from sun and act like thermal blanket around the planet. So answer to the question would be minus 18 degree Celsius. So next question, match list 1 with list 2 and select the correct answer using the codes given. Now we have been given some mountains and the country. So the first mountain is Atlas. So Atlas mountain, where are the Atlas mountains situated? Atlas mountains are situated basically in 3 countries. Which are those 3 countries? The 3 countries are Morocco, then Algeria and Tunisia. In these 3 countries, Atlas mountains are there. Okay. So we need to see, okay, for Atlas, Morocco is here. That means A ka 4. So either this is the answer or this is the answer. That means C is 2. Okay, now we have got this is for sure. This is for sure. ये तो पता ही चल गया हमें. Then Kilimanjaro. This Kilimanjaro is a dormant volcano. It is a dormant volcano. It is situated in Tanzania. Okay, so B ka 3 and B ka 3 is this. If B ka 3, तो D ka 1. Pyrenees is France. So the option becomes A. Okay, Atlas in Morocco, Kilimanjaro in Tanzania, Chimborazo in Ecuador, and Pyrenees situated between Spain and France. Aneto is the highest peak. Atlas की highest peak कौन सी है? Toubkal, Mount Toubkal. Toubkal is the highest peak. ठीक है? Okay, then question number 36. The entire sequence of communities that successively change in a particular area are called as ecological succession. It is a process of change in species structure of an ecological community over time. And this, what is this seer? Don't get confused with seer. It is an intermediate stage. Seer is intermediate stage. Okay, intermediate stage found in ecological succession when it is towards its climax. Okay. Okay, then question number 37. In Malaysia, the Kinta Valley. Oh, this is one of the very easiest question. Kinta Valley is very famous for tin production. It is one of the most productive tin producing district. Okay, Kinta Valley, question number 37. Then question number 38. Which of the following natural substances contains iron ore? This is a hard question. Okay, why this is a hard question? It needs quite an understanding of things. So in this question, basically these are proteins. Okay, now this myoglobin, in the structure of this myoglobin, iron is situated at the center and there are various bonds. So answer is myoglobin. There are iron and oxygen bind. It is an iron oxygen binding protein where iron is situated at the center. While this keratin is a protective protein. It is found in feather, horn, wool. Then collagen, it is made up of amino acids like amino acids and carbon, oxygen, hydrogen. In chlorophyll, magnesium is there, nitrogen is there. Okay, but iron is there in myoglobin. Okay, then question number 39. Question number 39. The equator does not pass through which of the following countries? Okay, so we need to know that equator passes through which of the countries. So equator passes to total 13 countries. Okay, now which are those 13 countries? The 13 countries are Ecuador, then Brazil, Gabon, DRC or Democratic Republic of Congo, then Kenya, then Maldives, then Kiribati, Colombia, Sao Tome, then Republic of Congo, then Uganda, Somalia, then Indonesia. Okay, so these are the 13 countries. So in these, we have not talked about now select the correct answer using the codes given below. So the answer to this question would be D, 3 and 4, because the question is asking does not passes through. इक्वेटोरियल गिनी से पास नहीं करता एंड रवांडा से पास नहीं करता, गेबन और सोमालिया से तो पास करता है. सो आंसर वुड बी 3 and 4 बिकॉज डज नॉट पास. ठीक है, ये नोट देखना नहीं भूलना है अपने को, कई बार से कंफ्यूजन हो जाती है. ओके, then change in the base sequence within a gene is called as mutation. It is again a very simple question. What is mutation? Mutation is change in DNA sequence. Okay, change in DNA sequence. And what is cloning? Cloning is producing individuals with identical DNA. What is fusion? Fusion is cells, when cells combines to form multicellular cells. One cell plus two cells, then there are, this is fusion. Then what is breeding? It is sexual reproduction that produces offsprings. So answer is A. Question number 41. Which part of the constitution has the provisions for Panchayati Raj system? So the answer to this is option A. ठीक है, because why option A? Because 6 के अंदर तो states हैं, part 6 में तो state है, part 3 में fundamental rights हैं, and part 4A में fundamental duties हैं, part 9 में पंचायती राज सिस्टम है. ठीक है, so answer is A. Next question. Which of the following is used in a fire alarm? Okay, in this fire alarm uses smoke detector, है ना? It uses smoke detector, and in this smoke detector, photocells are used. Okay, the smoke detector uses a photocell, and when the passage of smoke into the chamber, there is a chamber, causes the light from the source to be scattered and fall on the photocell, है ना, which initiates the alarm. So the answer is A, photocell. Question number 43. When was the third tier added to the Indian federal system? What is this 3-tier? So first tier is union government. ठीक है, second tier is state government, third tier is panchayati raj institutions, panchayats and municipalities, है ना? So when was it added? Now the thing is, like 73rd Amendment Act, it was passed in the year 1992. Though it was implemented on 24th of April 1993. ठीक है, the act was in 1993. Question number 44. Which of the following polymer is not a thermoplastic? So Teflon, बचपन से सुना है. Teflon तो क्या होता है? It is a chemical coating which is used to create non-reactive and non-sticky surface, है ना? Utensils के अंदर use किया जाता है Teflon. While all these things, polystyrene, polythene, neoprene, all these things are thermoplastics. ठीक है, what is this neoprene? It is synthetic rubber. Then thermoplastic, वो thermoplastic क्या होता है? It is a material which becomes more soft when heated and it becomes hard when it is cooled. ठीक है, so the answer is Teflon. Next question. Which of the following is not possible by a law of parliament under Article 3 of the Constitution? As per Article 3 of the Constitution, what can be done? There can be formation of new state. Area can be changed. ठीक है, in fact name can be changed, है ना? But admission of new states, no, this cannot be done. So this is the answer. Question number 46. In human body, the digestion of proteins begins in which of the following organs? Now, digestion is of two types. One is mechanical digestion and the other is chemical digestion. So, mechanical digestion begins in the mouth. Mechanical digestion begins in the mouth and it is continued in the stomach and small intestine as well. While the chemical digestion starts in the stomach and ends in small intestine. Okay. In question number 47, in the removal of which of the following officials does the parliament not play any role? In the judge of a high court, judge of supreme court, क्या parliament का कोई role है? Yes. Special majority चाहिए. Special majority is needed. कौन सी special majority? The special majority. First is absolute majority and then 2/3 majority of present and voting. So ये और ये तो नहीं होगा. And comptroller and auditor general of India can be removed as the judge of a supreme court. So this is not possible. So the answer is 3, chairman of Union Public Service Commission. This he is removed by the president after the Supreme Court's inquiry. When the president asks Supreme Court, just inquire. So after that, he is removed. So use of polished rice. Use of polished rice in human diet causes following disease. Which of the following disease? So what would be the answer to this? जो polished rice होता है, उससे कौन सी disease होती है? So what happens? जो rice की polishing होती है, उससे क्या होता है? It removes nutrients. ठीक है? It removes nutrients, and thereby what happens? Deficiency of thiamine. Deficiency of thiamine. Thiamine is vitamin B1, and the deficiency of vitamin B1 is called as beriberi. So the answer is D, beriberi. So the next question, question number 49. The superintendent's direction and control of all the election to the panchayats are vested in the State Election Commission. ठीक है, स्टेट इलेक्शन कमीशन के अंतर्गत होता है. इलेक्शन कमीशन ऑफ इंडिया के अंडर में कौन से इलेक्शंस होते हैं? जितने भी हमारे सेंट्रल इलेक्शंस होते हैं टू द लोकसभा, देन टू द विधानसभा. ठीक है, ओके. Next question, question number 50. Which of the following vitamins is mainly responsible for blood coagulation? Again, this is very easy question. School days में ही हमने पढ़ा था that vitamin K is it plays a key role in helping blood clots and it prevents excessive bleeding. है ना? So the answer would be K. अभी K मिलता कहाँ से? There is K1 and K2. K1 हमें मिलता है green leafy vegetables से, and K2 हमें मिलता है meat, eggs, cheese. ठीक है, so the answer is A. Which article of Indian Constitution describes the Central Vigilance Commission? Okay, Central Vigilance Commission के लिए कौन सा आर्टिकल है हमारे कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में? पहली बात तो कोई आर्टिकल प्रेजेंट है भी, because Central Vigilance Commission, when what was it established? It was established on the basis of Santhanam Committee report. है ना? संथानम कमेटी की एक रिपोर्ट आई थी, उसकी रिकमेंडेशन पे there was Central Vigilance Commission. It was established in the year 1964 and the CVC Act was passed in the year 2003. So this is an extra constitutional statutory body. So the answer would be D. ठीक है? Article 268, it deals with the duties levied by the union but collected by the states. Article 280 is Finance Commission. 276 is taxes on the professionals, traders, etc. ठीक है? So this was question 51. Then question number 52. Consider the following statements about human brain. The brain is responsible for regulating the heartbeat. Yes, it is responsible. Brain stem, छोटा मगज, एक मूवी आई थी ना छोटा मगज. So why Was this Chota Magaj important? Because the brain stem, it regulates the heartbeat plus breathing. That's why it is important, situated at the back of the brain. Then brain is responsible for balancing the body. Yes, brain के अंदर एक part होता है cerebellum. Cerebellum का काम होता है balancing of the body. So that means both options are correct. So question number 52, both the options are correct. Question number 53. Which one of the following pairs is not correctly matched? Now, in this question, all the options are actually correct. Interstate Council is Article 263. This is correct. Finance Commission 280. This is also correct. Administrative Tribunal is 323A. 323B में बाकी चीजों के tribunals हैं. And UPSC is 315. All options are correct. ठीक है? So whosoever has marked this answer, कुछ भी आंसर मार्क किया होगा तो आंसर ठीक होगा. Which one of the following substances is obtained from a tree? अब इसमें से tree से क्या मिलता है? What is this bitumen? Bitumen is asphalt जिससे रोड बनाते हैं ना. It is used for road surfacing. It is a residue from petroleum distillation. Then tinkal is a crude type of borax. है ना? It is a crude type of borax. So ये भी नहीं है, ये भी नहीं है. Now asafoetida, it is हींग. We call it हींग in Hindi. ठीक है? So this is extracted from ferula plants. Now the height of these plants is 1 to 4 meters. ठीक है? So if these plants are considered as tree, so this would be the correct answer. Consider the following chairpersons of National Women Commission: Jayanti Patnaik, Mamta Sharma, Girija Vyas, and Purnima Advani. So we know that Jayanti Patnaik was the first chairperson of National Commission of Women. That means answer can either be C or it can be D. है ना? So after Jayanti Patnaik, who was the chairperson? So the chairperson, अब हमें देखना पड़ेगा. Jayanti Patnaik 1992 से 95 तक CWC की chairperson थी. Then Purnima Advani was chairperson from 2002 to 2005. Then Girija Vyas 2008 to 2011, and Mamta Sharma from 2011 to 2014. That means Mamta Sharma should come in the last. So okay, in both of the options, Mamta Sharma is at the last. And after 90 to 95 के बाद कौन है? 4, Purnima Advani. So D would be the correct answer. Next question. Given below are the two statements. One is labeled as assertion and the reason. Assertion is invert sugar is more sweeter than sucrose, and the reason is, okay, the reason is has not been typed. I'll just read it. The reason given is invert sugar is obtained by the hydrolysis of sucrose. So first of all, what is this invert sugar? Invert sugar is a mix of glucose and fructose. और ये मिलती कैसे? It is made by heating sucrose plus water. ठीक है? यानी हाइड्रोलिसिस हो जाता है सुक्रोज का. ठीक है? So that means both the statements are correct and R is the explanation of A. So A would be the correct answer to this question. Which region of the country conferred special status under Article 371J? So Article 371J के लिए कौन सा एरिया है? Hyderabad and Karnataka. In this region, there are total 6 districts. One is Bidar, Yadgir, Raichur, Kopalla, Bellari, and Kalburgi. These are the districts present in this region, and this region is the second largest arid region of India. Okay, this region is the second largest arid region of India as it lies in the rain shadow area of the Western Ghats. Okay, next question, question number 58. Match list 1 with list 2 and select the correct answers from the codes given below. Metal and their property have been given. Okay, so in this question, if we see mercury is liquid at room temperature. We know this thing. That means B का 2 होना चाहिए. B का 2 is C, है ना? B का 2 is C. So this would be our answer, है ना? तो सिल्वर के एक ओके फर्स्ट सोडियम की प्रॉपर्टी दैट इट कैन बी इजीली कट विद नाइफ. दैट सिल्वर it is the most electrically conductive element, है ना? After silver it is copper and then gold, and lead is poor conductor of heat as well as electricity. So the answer to question number 58 is C. Next question, which one of the following is not correctly matched? Okay, question number 59, इनमें से कौन सा correctly matched नहीं है? फंडामेंटल ड्यूटीज तो सही है. पार्ट 6 स्टेट्स हैं. पार्ट 14 सर्विसेज अंडर यूनियन स्टेट्स है. अटॉर्नी जनरल ऑफ इंडिया कम्स अंडर आर्टिकल 76 एंड अंडर पार्ट 13 दिस रिलेट्स विद ट्रेड एंड कॉमर्स. ठीक है, दिस रिलेट विद ट्रेड एंड कॉमर्स. सो C is the correct answer. Which one of the following substance is not synthetic? इनमें से सिंथेटिक कौन सा नहीं है? तो नियोप्रीन तो हमने पहले ही देखा था, सिंथेटिक रबर है. टेफ्लॉन भी हमने पहले ही देखा था, केमिकल कोटिंग. व्हाट इज लेक्सान? लेक्सान इज अ थर्मोप्लास्टिक पॉलीमर. बॉटल्स, कंप्यूटर, शीट्स, फोन केसेस, ये सब इससे बनाए जाते हैं. तो what is there? We can eliminate. So fibroin is the answer. It would be the answer. It is an insoluble protein which is present in silk produced by numerous insects. So this is not a synthetic, it is natural. Fibroin. 61. Which is the largest committee of the Indian Parliament? Okay, this is also an easy question. Public Accounts Committee, how many members? 15 from Lok Sabha, 7 from Rajya Sabha. Estimates Committee, 30 from Lok Sabha. No ministers allowed. Then Committee on Public Undertaking. Committee on Public Undertaking में again 15 plus 7. Committee on Petitions, 15 from Lok Sabha and 10 from Rajya Sabha. So which is the answer? Estimates Committee will be the answer to this question. Which articles of Indian Constitution are related to citizenship? इनमें से citizenship का कौन सा articles relate करता है? Question number 63. Okay, so the answer would be part this in citizenship. It is a part of part 2 first of all. ठीक है? And the articles are 5 to 11. Part 2 में 5 to 11 citizenship से relate करता है. Then next question. Okay, we have already done 63. According to the report released by the Niti Aayog in December 2019 on Sustainable Development Goals, India Index 2019, UP is grouped under which of the following categories? So UP, Uttar Pradesh, lies in the category of, it is the maximum improved state. ठीक है, maximum improved state along with Sikkim and Odisha. And which was the state at number 1 rank number 1? Kerala. Number 2 was Himachal Pradesh. So because it was the most it is a maximum improvement कहाँ पे हुआ है? यूपी, सिक्किम और उड़ीसा में हुआ है. So it would be aspirant. Then question number 65. It is a doubtful question and I am leaving it. Okay, at present I am leaving it because I am having certain doubts in this question. I would be taking it again in the next video. Question number 66. Which of the following cities of Uttar Pradesh is or are covered under the Hriday Yojana? हृदय योजना में कौन कौन सी सिटीज हैं उत्तर प्रदेश की, है ना? उत्तर प्रदेश की कौन कौन सी सिटीज है? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, in this Hriday Yojana there are cities like Mathura, and Varanasi, two cities of UP. Then Ajmer, then Amravati, Badami, Gaya, Puri, Velankanni, Warangal, Dwarka, Kanchipuram, and Amritsar. These are the cities which are in this Yojana, Hriday Yojana. So the answer would be Mathura and Varanasi from UP, Mathura and Varanasi. So 1 and 2. Question number 66, answer would be C. Question number 67. Minimum strength of Council of Ministers, including Chief Minister in the states. So, as per Article 164, after the 91st Amendment Act 2003, the total number of ministers, including Chief Minister, shall not exceed 15%. We know this thing. And a maximum strength 15% honi chahiye. But it has been specifically given that the number of minimum, including Chief Minister in the state, shall not be less than 12. It shall not be less than 12. So 12 is the answer. Then question number 68. What should be the total fertility rate of a population in order to reach at the replacement level of fertility? So first of all, what is the total fertility rate? It is the average number of children born per woman at which a population exactly replaces itself from one generation to the next generation, but without migration. No migration. Okay? Migration को नहीं लेना है. So the TFR is 2.1. C is the correct answer. The Supreme Court of India enunciated the doctrine of basic structure of the Constitution in which of these cases? So first of all, what is this thing, basic structure of Constitution? And it was propounded by whom? Which judge? So it was propounded by Justice Hans Raj Khanna. It was propounded by Justice Hans Raj Khanna that Constitution has certain basic features that cannot be altered, that cannot be changed, that cannot be destroyed through amendments by Parliament. Okay? So this doctrine was given in the Kesvananda Bharti case of 1973. The thing is, this case was fought against whom? This case was fought against versus the state of Kerala. Okay? So answer is Kesvananda Bharti case B. Next question. Which of the following methods has been used to estimate poverty in India? So it is calorie intake and household consumption expenditure as per the Tendulkar committee report, Alag committee reports. So B, 2 and 3. So A is the correct answer for this question. Question number 71. Which one of the following is not correctly matched? इनमें से correctly कौन सा सही नहीं है? 39A, equal justice and free legal aid, it is correct. Article 40, village panchayat, is also correct. 44 is for uniform civil code, it is also correct. Then Article 50, Article 48 is for separation of judiciary from executive. No, this is actually Article 50. Okay, this is Article 50. And what is Article 48 then? Article 48 deals with organization of agriculture and animal husbandry. Okay, organization of agriculture and animal husbandry. Okay, question number 72. With reference to the Ayushman Bharat Yojana, which of the following statement is or are correct? This Yojana provides free health insurance of rupees 5 lakhs per person. No, this is not per person. This is for household. Okay, for household. Now this point is a tricky point now. Second, the expenses incurred in this scheme is shared between the center and the state in the ratio 60-40. First of all, it is 60-40. Yes, it is 60-40 for all states with their own legislature. And for northeastern states, it is for 90s to 10%. Apart from northeastern states, there are 3 other states like Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, and Uttarakhand, where the ratio is 90:10, and it is 100% in central funding for UTs without legislature. ठीक है, उन UTs में जहां पे legislature नहीं है वहां पर 100% है. So now we'll see that UPPSC उस वो 2 को yes मानती है कि नहीं मानती है. We'll leave it to them. Okay, 73. Consider the following statements in the context of Attorney General. The President shall appoint a person who is qualified as to be appointed a judge of the Supreme Court. Yes. The Attorney General shall receive such remuneration as the Parliament may determine. Yeah, it is as President may determine. ठीक है, so President तो Parliament की इस पे recommendation पे करता है. ठीक है, so he gets the remuneration equivalent to salary of judge of Supreme Court, and it is paid from Consolidated Fund of India. Okay. Then question number 74. The main objective of sustainable tourism is very simple: to manage tourism and environment while maintaining cultural integrity and ecological process. So what is sustainable tourism? Sustainable tourism is a low impact. Low impact should be there on environment. ठीक है, environment के ऊपर low impact होना चाहिए, and culture, जो local culture है, local culture के ऊपर भी low impact होना चाहिए, plus generation of employment. So these things should be there for sustainable tourism. Question number 75. Question number 75 is assertion and reasoning. Indian federalism is called quasi-federal. Yes, this is correct. Indian federalism is called as quasi-federal by Professor K.C. Ware. है ना, ये एकदम सही statement है. Reason is given: India has an independent judiciary with power of judicial review. Now, this statement is also correct, but the thing is, Indian federalism is quasi-federal. No, not only because of this thing. There are many things because of which this Indian state is called as quasi-federal. What is quasi-federal? It is an intermediate form of state between unitary and federation. It is neither unitary nor federation. Such type of state is called as quasi-federal. So both the statements are correct, but reason is not correct. So answer would be B. So these were question number 1 to 75. The other questions would be discussed by my colleague, Mr. Sanjeev Kumar. Okay. Thank you very much. Thank you. Bye.